News Minute Beach Ground, Epic 510 with excellent information, India, taxi for runway southbound departure.
Epic 510, News Minute Beach Ground, taxi runway 20 via Charlie Bravo.
20 Charlie Bravo, Epic 510. News Minute Beach Tower, Epic 510, going to Epic Bravo, runway 20, runway to departure.
Epic 510, News Minute Beach Tower, runway 20, clear for takeoff.
Runway 20, clear for takeoff, Epic 510. November 636, Alpha, Cessna 2,500 feet, 12 miles by from News Minute Beach Airport. We could fly for Melbourne in minutes.
November 60 Alpha, squawk 0365.
0365.
November 6360 Alpha, information, Lima is current at Melbourne, runway 27 left in use. Orlando 3032. Tower 60 Alpha, traffic 12 o'clock, 5 miles, same direction, southbound, Skyhawk 172, you're indicating 10 knots faster, same altitude. November 636 Sierra Alpha, traffic 12 o'clock, 2 miles, maneuvering altitude indicates 2,500.
Traffic inside.
November 6 Sierra Alpha, descend at your discretion into Melbourne.
November 636 Sierra Alpha, with expected down in Melbourne.
November 636 Sierra Alpha, thank you, turn right heading 220, vector for traffic.
Right for 220.
Dog 636 Sierra Alpha, resume mode navigation, contact Melbourne Tower 118.2, have a good day.
I want to thank you, have a good one.
Cessna 6 Alpha, quick touch and go. Then fly to the interstate and proceed on course.
Okay, quick touch and go, on course. 6 Alpha.
Cessna 6 Alpha, traffic's about a mile ahead of you there, 1500 east, turning northbound, you can continue westbound.
Traffic inside, 6 Alpha. Place regional power, November 636 Alpha, Cessna Skyhawk. 15 miles to Cockpit-view, first go, the rest of the bus to the north.
Okay, give me a call about 6 south, verify you got Bravo.
Everyone information Bravo, report to Crosscountry. 636 Alpha, 615, after that.
Continue to the north, over the west bank of the river, Cessna 6 Sierra Alpha, runway 27, clear for touch and go.
Clear for touch and go, runway 27, clear Alpha.
Sierra Alpha, right turn approved after the touch and go.
Right turn approved after the touch and go, clear Alpha. November 636 Alpha, with the wind.
Number 636 Sierra Alpha, line approach squawk 0372.
0372.
636 Sierra Alpha, radar contact 14 miles northeast of Sanford. Say altitude, type aircraft, and request.
2,500 feet, Cessna 172, set flight following through clear.
Number 6 Sierra Alpha, resume on navigation to Leesburg. Verify when you have the current weather.
Expect the runway 13, maintain VFR.
Maintaining VFR,
6 Sierra Alpha, use caution, Orange City antennas at your 12 o'clock in about 3 miles.
Looking for the 12, that's 6 Sierra Alpha. Runway 636 Sierra Alpha, the field is nice with the good and weather information.
636 Sierra Alpha, roger, radar services are terminated, squawk VFR, contact Leesburg, channel 119.35, good day.
119.35, thank you. Good tower, November 636 Sierra Alpha is 15 miles to the southeast, inbound for Cape Express and the rest of the departure to the northwest.
6 Sierra Alpha, report a midfield, left downwind to runway 13, wind calm, altimeter 3032.
Forward left downwind, runway 13, November 636 Sierra Alpha. 636 Sierra Alpha, turning left and downwind, runway 13.
So 6 Sierra Alpha, you're following a Cessna head to your left on a white base for the traffic in sight.
6 Sierra Alpha.
6 Sierra Alpha, following traffic, you're number 2, runway 13, cleared land.
Cleared land, November 636 Sierra Alpha.
on course, runway 13, clear for takeoff.
Delta course, runway 13, clear for takeoff, 360.
Sierra Alpha, Jack's approach. How you doing? Jack's altimeter 3029er.
3029er, thank you. 626 Sierra Alpha, I'll copy on information, the Yankee.
Number 6 Sierra Alpha, left 5 came to in sight.
That's what we will do, 626 Sierra Alpha. 626 Sierra Alpha, is the field of time.
6 Sierra Alpha, stay on the beacon code, contact game for tower 11955.
119.55.
Number 6 Sierra Alpha, runway 11, clear to land.
1-1, clear to land, 626 Sierra Alpha.